Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and I hope you're having a fabulous day whatever you're doing. In this video guys, we are going to be talking the Molly Mae beauty box. Like seriously, Tony got me this for Christmas and I told you guys I was going to do a separate video on opening this and using the products. So I'm wearing the products on my face today. Obviously in this box I haven't got foundation, contour, anything like that. You will find out obviously in a minute when I stop rambling on exactly what's in the box. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful look today, then keep on watching guys. So as you guys can tell, I've literally just got out the shower and popped on some clothes. So yeah, my hair is all wet, so I'm just gonna let it dry and do its thing naturally. So yeah, let's just jump straight into this box then guys. So the first thing in the box is this Mist smoothing apricot toner. Oh my god, this just smells so nice. When your skin is feeling tired and a little bit dry, you spritz this on and oh my god, your face feels so nice. When I tell you guys, this makes my skin feel super hydrated. I absolutely love it. As you can tell, I've used quite a bit out of this. Mist is an expensive brand, so it's a bit of a high-end brand, but yeah, I will put on screen all the prices of each individual product and how much the box actually was. I'm not sure if it's still on sale now, but I will check that out and put it down below if it is. So this is the Morad Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum, and oh my god guys, this is just absolutely stunning. Firstly, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's so bougie. I really am over the moon that Tony actually bought me this. I have been using this only a tiny little bit, like in the corners of my eye, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on now. So it's quite a thick formula, but it feels so nice on the skin. It really just hydrates under your eyes. I like to put a little bit on the lids as well. So the last little bit of skincare in this box is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. This box is super bougie. So you literally just lift it up like that. The cream is a massive, massive pot. I mean, it's huge. You get 50 grams. So this is going to last me a while. This feels freezing cold. But what's bougie about it is you get like a little spatula in it as well with Sunday Riley on it. So don't mind my lockdown nails, by the way guys. I am struggling so much with my nails at the minute. But yeah, this is like a little bougie tool to put this on. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on. I like to use whatever's on the cap as well because I don't want to waste product. So I just literally scoop it out. With that, that's probably way too much, because this is like a really, really thick cream and it smells just like oranges. And then I'm just gonna rub all this into my skin. It feels luxurious, it feels super hydrating and thick, and it just smells like citrus because obviously it's a vitamin C. So it smells citrusy and oh, I just absolutely love this so much. I mean, look how much of a glow it's actually giving my skin. And don't forget the neck, and always go in an upward motion. My mum always told me that. Always go in an upward motion because it stops causing wrinkles. That's my skin like with using these products, and oh my god guys, these products are amazing. This is the one thing that got me super excited about this box is the Huda Beauty, the Desert Dusk palette. I mean, how gorgeous is this palette to start off with? I literally cannot wait to do a look with this. So that's the palette. So we also have the Bad Girl Bang mascara. I've heard so many things about this mascara. This is from Benefit. And then we also have one of these lipsticks from Huda Beauty. And it's like a gorgeous nude. And then also in the box, we get the brush set. So this is the Spectrum Collection brush set. So that's a blank canvas. My eyes are done. So we're gonna jump straight into the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. First gonna go into the shade Eden, which is this beautiful, like, perfect transition shade. So it's like a nice light brown. I'm going to be using the Spectrum B06 brush for that. So it's quite a big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to concentrate that on the crease. And then I'm going to go into the shade next to it called Amber. I mean, it doesn't look good right now, but trust the process. It always looks bad before it gets better. Go into this shade here called Blazing. So I'm just going to use the same brush because I'm lazy. I'm now going to go into like the smaller blending brush, which is the B11. And I'm going to go into Saffron, this shade here. I think I'm just going to play it safe, as always. And I'm going to go into an Nefertiti, which is that beautiful gold shimmer. And using my finger, I'm just going to pop that all into the cut crease. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful colour. So for my base makeup, I am going to do a time lapse, so I'll be back to finish off the eyes and put the lipstick on. So that's my base makeup all done. Going back onto the eyes again, I'm going to do under the eye. So I'm just going to get the Spectrum B11 and I'm going to go into Eden again, and I'm just going to pop that under the under eye. I'm going to go into Oud, I think it's Oud, O-U-D, and it's a nice dark brown, and I'm just going to run that across the under eye. So that's how the eyes are looking now. I absolutely love these burnt oranges and dark browns. I really think that they make my blue eyes pop. So that's it for the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna test out the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. First of all, I absolutely love the packaging of this mascara. It just looks so bougie and I love it. I've never really used a wand this shape before. I prefer like big fat ones, but we shall see. So this is what my eyelashes are looking like now. They're okay. Yeah, they're just okay. So I'm just gonna wiggle that onto. Wow. This is the first time I've actually used this mascara, guys. I'm using it first time on camera, and oh my god. Like, look at my lashes. Falsies what? I want to try the mascara. Is it Maybelline Skyscraper or something? I've seen it all over TikTok. And I really want to try that mascara out, but it's sold out everywhere. Like, literally everywhere. So those are my lashes. I absolutely love this mascara, guys. First time using it. I mean, it has gone on my lids, which I'm not happy about, but that can literally come off anyway. I think I found myself a new favourite mascara. So the last thing to do is to put on the Huda Beauty lipstick. This is in Prom Night. I have the other Huda Beauty lipstick as well. I'm collecting Huda Beauty stuff because I'm getting a little bit obsessed with Huda Beauty. I'm absolutely a massive fan. This is Wedding Day and this is the one I wear every single day. So let's try this one. I mean, these lipsticks go on like absolute butter. I love them so much. It's a nice nude, a little paler than what I'm used to. But yeah, I quite like that. So yeah, I quite like the look that I've come up with using everything out of the Molly Mae box. I'm a big fan of Huda Beauty lipsticks, so I really like that. But I mean, it's a little bit lighter than what I'm used to. That's the only thing. Maybe I could like do like an ombre with that one and the other one. That could be a shout out. But yeah. My eyes look super pretty. So yeah, I'm just gonna go off camera, sort something out with my hair, and I'll be right back for my final thoughts, guys. So that's the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really am loving everything that's in this box, and I am so grateful to Tony for getting it me for Christmas. I am so blessed to have that man in my life. I swear to God, he is the best thing that's ever happened to me. Not just because he bought me this Molly Mae box or whatever he bought me for Christmas, just because he is the perfect, most generous, most loving guy I've ever met in my life, and I truly love him. Seriously, I am blessed to have him in my life. So if you did enjoy this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a video, which is every Wednesday and every Saturday at UK time, which is 5 o'clock. Google your different time frames to see when I upload, because I'm no good at telling you different time frames. I'm afraid I'm not that clever. So Google is the best thing to do. But yeah, here in the UK, I am going to be uploading Wednesdays and Saturdays at 5 PM. Hopefully this video goes out at 5 PM because I'm filming it today and editing it and getting it up today. So without me rambling, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye, guys.